What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video. We got the Camaro in the background, man. You see it's on those stock daddies. You guys don't know, I took off the 22-inch Forgiatos. Sold them mainly because I didn't really like the ride on it, honestly. I had them wheels on my last car, on my last Camaro, and the wheel weld in the back is like a lot bigger than this one. So the tires that I had on there was a lot meatier, and it looked like super like nice. Now I had to put like rubber band tires to get those same wheels to fit on this car. I sold those. Now we're gonna go get some 20-inch Forgiatos and try to either mount this tire on there or find two like wider tires and see what we can get done, if we can get that stance just right. Be sure to stay tuned with your boy, man. I'm about to head down to San Diego, man. It's a few hours away, and the Forgiatos, they're pretty cheap if I'm driving way out there. So let's go try to see what we can get, man. Ooh, and shout out to my dog. $1.94 special for the full tank, man. You see what's going on. V-Power. I need mine super filled up, though. But first, as you guys know, man, I got to get my joint washed. They didn't open back up the car wash. Got the little vacuum stuff out. So you know what it is. It's time to roll, man. Got this thing getting cleaned up. Time to put some old Fogies on the feet, man. I wanted some ZL1 stocks, but the ones I found was just super like overpriced, or like OEM priced rather. Just not what I was trying to buy, but it is what it is, man. So I'm thinking about the Camaro, man. It's time to get this thing looking nice. Sound like the country about to open back up pretty soon. Yeah, that's definitely where I'm glad I'm not, boy. Oh my God, they got that whole thing blocked off over there, baby boy. Baby boy, this thing backed up, bro. Sucks to be coming to Vegas right now. Ooh-wee. Damn, I hate that traffic. I'm good. Alrighty, just checking in with you guys, man. I'm about halfway to San Diego. Well, a little bit more than half, like a little bit like 40 minutes out. Man, this drive is a lot better than the drive to Vegas. It's a lot more greener going this way rather than going towards Vegas, that's for sure. But you know, we cruising, sliding down the highway, man. I haven't took this route before, so I'm just enjoying a drive. Sorry if I couldn't get you guys a couple more good cinematic scenes, but I am enjoying my drive right now. So it is what it is, but I'll check in with you guys when we get to a little bit better of a scene. Maybe when we see some water in a lovely San Diego, California. Guys, so quick update, man. We have made it to San Diego. We already went to the place and checked out the wheels, but dude, get this. Dude, he had like two sets of wheels in the picture, and the one that was in the picture like wasn't even the Forgiato that he was referring to. So basically he got some wheels that look like Forgiatos, but they're not Forgiatos. So unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna have any Forgiatos. He wanted $500 for them. I should have known something was fishy, but then again, you know, I don't know. I still think I'm gonna get them though. They're pretty nice, regardless of the fact they're only like 350 bucks. So pretty nice rims. I know I can sell them in Vegas for a little bit of change if I don't want them no more. So that'll work out either or. But they do look nice. I'm gonna show you guys as soon as I get them. We still gotta test fit them on the car. Didn't even do that yet, so we'll check them out right now. Alrighty, guys, y'all see them things on them things. Oh wait, this thing about to be wet. I cannot wait, dog. Shout out my boys at SD Motorworks. Yeah, but we got the things loaded up, man. It's time to hit the road, Jack. Alrighty, guys, back on the road, man. We're on our way to actually go to LA really quick. It's only like an hour and a half out of the way. It's like I didn't came this far. I might as well go slide to the city. You feel me? See if we can find some tires for the wheels and stuff. We gotta find some center caps as well. Now that would make it that much better if I could find something with an F, but we are on the way to Los Angeles, guys. Let me see if I can get you a decent view. I mean, we came to San Diego, but we just really been on the freeway. We couldn't really see like the beaches and the bridges and stuff like that, but we're out here in Oceanside. Slide. Either way, you guys see the view, man. You see what's going on. Beautiful palm trees and stuff. People speeding on the freeway, man. You know how it go. I'm always missing a view, man. All right, bet. Y'all can see over there. Man, always missing a right now, and still we haven't got gas. We've been driving this thing all day from Vegas to San Diego. We're in Irvine, well, Santa Ana really. I just linked up with somebody off OfferUp, about to get some tires for these bad boys. It's actually gonna be the ZL1 spec, so we're going 305 30 20 in the rear and 285 30 in the front. So this should be a nice like squatty look, hopefully. So we'll see what happens, man. Guess we can get some gas now. Freaking went to go try to get the tire, got to the tire shop. Freaking dude could barely put on the tire, then he ripped the tire, talking about it's like dry rotted out, which is cool for me because the other guy was there, so I didn't have to pay for the other one. I only gave him like 20 bucks for the tire, so not that bad of a deal. Guess I gotta find some really good tires that's a little bit more than I want to pay, but you know, I guess we'll see how that goes. But meanwhile, just after doing that, I'm thinking I want to get these things powder coated, because that black is cool. But you guys know that black is cool, but you know me, I love color, man. So we'll see what color we go with, because these bad boys are nice, but they're not nice enough. They don't stand out, like they don't ring my name just yet. So we'll see. Maybe we can go Sprite green. I don't know. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. We in LA right now. Just put up on the Hummy, watching the Hummy Rich car. Got the other 6th gen out here. You feel me? We might have something popping today. Who knows, man? We out here for a quick second. As that scooter is, pull up with the joint, man. Where it's at? Let me see, man. Nah, you got the Z06, man. That's perfect. You can speed. That motherfucker hard. Alrighty, guys. Next day here. Let's see the damage. Man, we drove pretty far yesterday. My freaking legs are still like freaking sore as heck. I gotta stretch out or something, dog. But let's check them out. Let's check them out, man. I want to go up to the powder coating place, and just see how much they'll charge me for like a nice candy color. I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but we'll see when we get there. But first off, I gotta go get a car wash, man. I spilled like coffee and everything up in this joint, so let's go get it. We just got our car washed and pulled up to 6651 Customs. This thing looking clean. Man, let's see what kind of quote we can get on a nice color on these wheels, dog. Alrighty, guys, I'm on my way. I didn't want to go with the powder coating right now. I just don't want to spend that extra money. But I'm actually on the way to the wrap place. I'm gonna go get some vinyl wrap for this thing, and then this vinyl wrap the face of each rim. Should be about like 40 bucks to do all of that. So will save me a bunch of money, and then it'll look good as well. I also found the caps for the center wheels. My buddy's already got a pair of them for me, so no need to buy those. So I save money there. And I think I'm just gonna use the tires I have on these stock wheels and just change them over. So we should have these wheels on pretty shortly, man. I can't wait to get them on and see how they're gonna look after we vinyl wrap them up. I was thinking blue or some color like that, but then I was asking my girl, then she was like gray or like baby blue, like a real light blue. And I pulled up white and she was digging that. I was like, all right, bet. So I'm gonna probably go with like the white or something like that. I don't know. I think it'll be nice. What do you guys think about the white? Let me know in the comments below, man. So as you guys see, we finally arrived to the wrap shop. We got like every color you guys can possibly want. We got a whole wall like full of colors everywhere you look. We got like the anodized, and they're actually doing like a really cool blue on this Tesla. So if you guys want to tune into that, man, make sure you check out their channel at Incognito Wraps LV on YouTube, man. The link will be in the description below. But yeah, they're getting me right with some of this white, and we're about to go try it out on these black wheels. So hopefully everything comes out good. You know, it probably won't be as good as these guys, but you know, the practice is what makes, you know, content. So we'll see what happens. But stay tuned and we'll let you guys know how it works out. Alrighty, guys, as you see, man, I'm looking like hair is cray. But we got the wrap, man, and I guess we'll try to do like one wheel at a time. Hopefully everything goes right. Spent $40 on the wrap, So hopefully we can make something out of it, man. Let's see what happens. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I know you're wondering, like, why is he in the bathroom right now with one of his wheels? Okay, the video on that, I actually vinyl wrapped it and it came out like this. That video is gonna be up right after this one. But this is like the finished product of what I got. If you guys are interested in how I got to this stage, please tune into the next video, as I'll be going over all that and how to do it in the next video. But yeah, we're in the bathroom because I don't have a garage, and yesterday was windy, so it is what it is. And these didn't have tires on them, so I cleaned them up before I brought them up, and it was the best place I could have thought of. But anyways, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.